Hi everyone, welcome to Euron. And guys, I think the entire world nowadays is talking about MCP, Model Context Protocol. And many of our students was looking for a course, kind of a practical course, which can help them to build such kind of a system by using Model Context Protocol. So here we are, guys. So today I'm going to make an announcement about this particular course called as MCP Masters, Model Context Protocol Masters. As you can see, now this course is going to be a complete practical course, and if you will go through a syllabus of this particular course, we are not going to discuss, or specifically I'm not going to talk much about a theory over here, because there is nothing much to discuss in terms of theory. What we are going to do over here is we are going to build a lot of application. So fine guys, let's get started and let's start talking about this entire course that we have launched and which is going to start from tomorrow. A lot of videos will be available even like on a YouTube, so that every one of us will be able to watch it. But yeah, all the content will be available inside your dashboard. And if I'll talk about this entire course price, so as a Euron, we are not selling our individual courses at all. Basically, it's a OTT based platform. It's a subscription based platform where you don't have to pay anything extra. If you are not going to like it, you just have to pay a very small amount, as you can see on my screen, a very small amount per month, and whenever you want you can go and you can try to cancel it. Along with that, you will be able to get a lot of access. I think that I'll be discussing like in a different video, so not in this video. Let's just talk about a model context protocol, guys, because this course is going to start from 15th April 2025, as you can see on my screen. So it's a 15th April, and today is 14th April when I'm recording this video. So from tomorrow onwards, you all will start getting a video, a content for this entire course. Now, how and in what fashion we are going to launch this course, let's talk about it. So guys, this course is going to be a hybrid course. Hybrid course means in a scheduled fashion. So for example, if I'll talk about this particular module, which is Introduction to MCP Model Context Protocol. Now we are going to release this entire module video and its content, whatever material, whatever code that I'm going to write. So each and everything will be released on April 15th, which is tomorrow. Then on April 16th, I'm going to release this entire project. Like I said, so I'm trying to keep theory as limited as possible so that you guys will not get bored. We are here to build something, and specifically with respect to MCP, right? If you're going to ask me honestly, so I'll say that there is a very less that we can talk in terms of a theory, and more we can try to talk in terms of building things, and that is going to give you a real kind of a learning that you can try to use to build your own MVPs, or in whatever project with whatever company you are working, you all will be able to implement it. So keeping that in our mind, guys, we have designed this entire syllabus. As you can see, the very first project that we are going to talk about is AI powered student assignment grader. Again, so in every project, I have made sure that we are going to use a different kind of a tool till deployment. So building till deployment, each and everything in a different way we are going to use it. Now the second project is a dynamic market research agent. Again, a different set of APIs, different set of a project. I'm going to use different set of analytics. We are going to build over here a different kind of a configuration we all are going to see. The next one is basically a medical research diagnosis agent. The next one is basically a live file analyzer and like an insight generator. You can just go through a syllabus and you will be able to get some sort of insights, and hope all of you are going to find it very amazing. The next one is customer support agent with a live ticket lookup. The next one is a real-time book summary generator. The next one is basically a stock market analyzer and reporter. The next one is basically job finder and resume matching agent. The next one is basically AI video script generator from a trending news. The next one is basically multi-agent knowledge graph builder. The next one is, which is a completely like last section, we are going to talk about production deployment tips for MCP project. It's not like we are just going to talk about a deployment only over here. In all the project, I'm talking about a deployment in some of the systems, some of the cloud platform, or with the help of some of the framework which is available inside a market. A popular framework, obviously, we are going to discuss, and syllabus wise, one by one. So you will be able to get a video, and every day, as you can follow the date, right? So it is going to start from tomorrow, which is April 15th, and then on April 16th, then on April 17th, then 18th, then 19th, then 20th, then 21st, then 22nd, then 23rd, and then 24th, and then 25th, and then 26th. You will be able to see hundreds of videos that we are releasing, not on a daily basis. So hundreds of video, when I say, so I'm talking about the complete course, by the way, over here. So you will be able to see that more than 100 plus video which we are going to create, because we have 111 subtopic over here, 12 major section, and each and everything will be available to all of you. Now, like I said, that some of the content will be even available on a YouTube. But again, so if you're going to watch something on YouTube, you have to watch it along with the ads. But here, so you will be able to watch everything ad-free in a systematic manner. Plus, you will be able to get all the content, all the code file, all the architecture or documentation, whatever we are going to use it inside your project, each and everything in a structured way, you all will be able to find out. And again, there is no like a separate pricing we are having for any of the courses that we have on a Euron platform. It's just a subscription based OTT Netflix like a platform. So where you just go and pay a subscription, that's it. You are going to get a EURI, a amazing LLM system with so many features, so many functionalities. You will be able to get even access of resume AI. So where you can generate a resume, you will be able to prepare for the interview. You can generate a cover letter, project, lot of things. Again, there is a job platform. So this job platform is going to give you a recommendation with respect to a job on a regular basis. So yeah, we can maybe wait for a couple of seconds, and then I will be able to see. Yeah, now I'm able to see a job based on the resume that I have uploaded with respect to a resume AI. Plus, you will be able to get a system access of Avni, which is not in a stable version as of now, but yeah. So we are trying to make it more and more conversational, which is a real-time interview taking system, a mock interview taking system. So each and everything you all will be able to access just with one single subscription. Whatever courses we have, so we have tons of courses, we have tons of projects available in a different section on our platform, each and everything without any additional if and but or any other kind of a prices. Just with Euron Plus, you all will be able to access. So hope guys, all of you are going to love this entire content, the curriculum that I have prepared for all of you. And yeah, we are going to learn a lot, not like a basic one over here. That's the reason. So I'm trying to keep this entire curriculum as a project driven curriculum, so that immediately you all will be able to build a lot of things, and then going forward, whatever you are going to build, you will be having an edge, and you can just go and solve any kind of a problem with respect to MCP. And that's the whole idea behind creating this entire curriculum. So with that guys, I believe you all are going to like it. Please write something in a comment if you have any kind of a feedback, if you have any kind of a suggestion for me. Obviously, we are looking into your comment, and we will try to take your feedback in a very serious manner. With that guys, thank you so much. See you again in my next release.